or that race was brought to you by Tanduay Ram, the number 1 Ram. Bigyan natin replay. The instant replay is brought to you by Santa Ana Park. Sa aksyon,
Patok.
Races on. Don Enrico fast to begin, rushing up his Tabaco, and racing in third is Wheel of Destiny by about 5 or 6 lengths of the leader. Passing for the winning post for the first time, Don Enrico leading the pack by some 4 lengths, followed now by Wheel of Destiny, and down on the inside is Tabaco. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Don Enrico leading the pack by some 3 lengths. Wheel of Destiny is running in second, and Tabaco is racing in third by another 2 lengths. Racing down the backstretch, Don Enrico, this time by half a length, followed by Wheel of Destiny, and racing in third by some 6 lengths, Tabaco. Passing the half mile and going to the last 600, Don Enrico enjoying by some 2 lengths, followed by Wheel of Destiny, and Tabaco remains in third by some 6 lengths. Rounding the far turn, Don Enrico by some 2 lengths. Wheel of Destiny still running in second, and Tabaco remains in third by 7 lengths. As they race the final corner, Don Enrico still leading by some 2 lengths. Wheel of Destiny down on the inside, and nearing the last 200 at still Don Enrico, this time by some 5 lengths now. And finally, entry number 1 is, this one is Don Enrico. Second, Wheel of Destiny, and Tabaco took third.
winner take all po natin. Natira po dyan is 69,994.
Halos walang nabawas, no? Halos mga 2,000 mahigit lang.
Ah,
Now let's check out the time of the race.
prueba natin.
26, 24 and a half, 23 and a half, 25 and a half, 139.6 for the mile distance. Alam mo natin, kay Don Enrico lahat, yan, tiyempong yan.
Okay.